Discover the epitome of high-performance cookware with the Blue Diamond Cookware Diamond-Infused Ceramic Nonstick 8-inch Frying Pan. This culinary masterpiece is more than just a pan. It's a fusion of cutting-edge cooking technology, exceptional durability, and toxin-free excellence. In this review, we'll explore why this 8-inch frying pan is a must-have for anyone seeking a seamless cooking experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Experience the diamond advantage. This 8-inch frying pan is a powerhouse infused with Blue Diamond's revolutionary ceramic non-stick coating embedded with real diamonds. This unique innovation offers remarkable strength and durability, ensuring a shine that lasts a lifetime. Crafted to conquer smaller meals with ease, this pan redefines the art of cooking with its advanced technology. Unparalleled strength and durability. Blue Diamond's diamond-infused coating is 5 times harder and lasts 10 times longer than conventional coatings, making it metal utensil safe. Say goodbye to the worry of scratches and deterioration. The pan's tough aluminum body ensures extreme strength and quick and even heating, eliminating the frustration of cold or hot spots during cooking. Toxin-free cooking delight. Craft your daily meals with confidence as Blue Diamond's ceramic coating is free of phos, FOA, lead, and cadmium. Enjoy a toxin-free cooking experience that prioritizes your health without compromising on taste or performance. This pan allows you to create culinary masterpieces without releasing any harmful fumes. Built for endurance. The Blue Diamond 8-inch frying pan is not just about exceptional coating, it boasts a heavy-duty forged base, ensuring warp control. No more worries about warping, wobbling, or degradation over time. This pan is designed to withstand countless meals, making it a reliable companion in your kitchen adventures. Ergonomic design for comfortable cooking. Equipped with riveted stainless steel handles, this pan offers a sturdy and comfortable grip perfect for oven cooking. The ergonomic design ensures that you have full control while cooking, adding an extra layer of convenience to your culinary endeavors. Versatile cooking companion. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 425 F, and suitable for all stovetops except induction. This pan is a versatile cooking companion. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, this pan delivers consistent and impressive results every time. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Blue Diamond 8-inch frying pan. While it is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, most messes will wipe clean effortlessly, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Why you need it. The Blue Diamond Cookware Diamond-Infused 8-inch frying pan is a shining star in the world of cookware, delivering unmatched strength, durability, and toxin-free cooking. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and understand why this pan is a game changer for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.